forecast for the channels between the islands. Small craft advisory remains in effect through this afternoon for the Lealea channel. Today, east winds 20 to 25 knots. Wind waves 5 to 7 feet. Mixed swell northwest 4 feet and south 3 feet. Isolated showers. Tonight through Saturday night, east winds 20 knots. Wind waves 4 to 7 feet. Northwest swell 4 feet. Swell south 3 feet till tonight.
Alright, we're going sailing. Let it go, man, let it go. We love to sail out in the Maui sun. We love to party down with everyone. We love to go out, watch the fishes play every day. We dig this sailing life every way. Everybody follow me. Hey, sailing, sailing, way out there in the ocean. Sailing, sailing, way out there in the breeze. Sailing, sailing, 'cause everybody's rolling. Sailing, sailing, why don't you come along with me? 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 We love to sail the channel through the night. Ooh, boy, Bay, here we come. Our boat, she float on the water. The sails, she fly in the sky. All the sights we can see, all the sounds we have heard. Yes, it's different on a ship. You feel just like a Tweety bird, far away under the friendly sky. Sailing, sailing, way out there in the ocean. Sailing, sailing, way out there in the breeze. Sailing, sailing, 'cause everybody's rolling. Sailing, sailing, why don't you come along?
Saturday, May 26th, 0650. The oil pressure warning on the engine came on while we were sailing out of the harbor. We have not yet cleared the channel. Channel boys are still ahead of us about another 100 yards. We're sailing under jib only, and we're going to proceed south and troubleshoot the motor. Hopefully we can get it running again with oil pressure. But if not, we're going to have a hell of a sailing adventure here.
Out there in the ocean. Sailing, sailing, way out there in the breeze. Sailing, sailing, 'cause everybody's rolling. Sailing, sailing, why don't you come along with me? 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 We love to sail up in the afternoon, about 6 o'clock. Our boat, she follow the sunset, then she'll turn to chase the moon. With the breeze in the sail and the waves in your wake, there's so much magic on this journey, the kind of trip we love to take. Everybody follow me. Hey, sailing, sailing, way out there in the ocean. Sailing, sailing, way out there in
Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a fateful trip that started from this tropic port aboard this tiny ship.